Look at that beautiful thing. It's got all the good food groups in there. Sometimes you just want breakfast for dinner. First things first, keep it simple, Sally. Kiss. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. Use a non-stick or something that isn't cast iron. Get your bamboo scraper out. I'm just gonna pour enough of this out on these little spots of fun. See that? Comes right up. Now, in goes the butter. Okay. And we're just gonna put our hash browns right in it. And when you do this, you're not gonna have to season these hash browns. All right. Hit it with some water. Alrighty. That's gonna pretty much break everything loose from the pan. You're gonna love this. Now that's flavor, so don't throw it out. I'm just gonna pour it out into this bowl. Alrighty. Beef broth here. Lots of flavor. You can use these little tricks I'm showing you for pretty much everything you cook. I'm going to put that right in the middle there. And that's our poaching fluid. Pure flavor. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's get these eggs out of here. Perfectly poached. One thing that's going to keep this going is the steak. The rest of that brown liquid. Look at that. I'm gonna cook our steak in that. Can you imagine how juicy this is gonna be? A little bit of steak on each one. Okay. A little bit of this Dijon sandwich spread. Let's give each one a little dribble. Nice little flavor profile. You know what's coming next. Louisiana Heat. Those perfectly cooked poached eggs. Look at that. Poached in that brown sauce that we made in the pan. Still steaming hot. Get that. I like to do a little more of the sauce in the middle, just for a little dipping, and then more Louisiana Heat, because it's the morning. We need to wake up. Everybody needs to wake up their mouth. Look at that. All right, which one should I start with? Oh my God, this one looks so good right here. Yeah, you can pick these things up. Pick them up. Oh my gosh, the deglaze we did to flavor the hash browns, the hot sauce, a little bit of that sandwich seasoning. Look at that beautiful thing. It's got all the good food groups in there. That runny yolk, look how perfect that egg is poached. Can't cook a better egg than that, guys. Look at that. Get it all on a spoon. Make you some of that.